Okay, cool. Let's sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Ready, set, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the swirl so high, like a pepperoni pizza pie. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder, dude, where's my car? So how many of you, when I said, let's sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, your brain went, oh boy, and what you expected was, Twinkle, little star, he's singing this 38,000 times, right? So then I throw in pattern interrupts, like the squirrel in your brain goes, oh, this is different, and now I'm interested. Then I do the pizza pie. How many of you that I did the pizza pie thought now at the end, what's going to be the big finish, because I'm not just going to end it. And then the dude, where's my car thing. Does that make sense?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.